Tonight on It's the Law, we're breaking down the legal issues surrounding Macon Bibb County elections. We've reported that multiple residents of at least 5 districts were registered in the wrong one, and some have already cast their ballots. Will not be allowed to vote again. Here to weigh in is our attorney, Jay Davis. Now, Jay, because of this mix-up, 36 people have voted in the wrong districts.
Almost doubled very quickly.
Yeah, we had some new numbers in today. Well, Georgia law doesn't allow a voter to vote twice. We know this, but despite the law, as a legal expert, do you think the Board of Elections is handling this properly by not allowing them to vote twice?
Probably so. They probably can't vote twice. Nobody wants anybody's vote to be disenfranchised, but now you've got 17, what was 17, now 36 votes in one district that shouldn't be there. You also have 17, 36, however many it may be when it's all said and done. There may be a larger number that's in another that we're not allowed to vote in another district. So if those numbers are critical to either district, if the districts were so close that 36 votes made the difference, and if those were a sway, then they would have to do a re-election.
Now, you mentioned that you don't think that they're handling it improperly, but was there another?
Well, when I say not improperly, I'm saying as far as not letting them vote twice. I believe that was proper, to not let them vote twice.
Okay, now if legally though, what else could be done to kind of rectify it and make sure those people's votes do count?
Well, the votes will count. I mean, the votes, no matter who they voted for, if there's not 17 votes different, then the person who wins is going to have the majority of the votes in order to win. So if 17 votes would not have made a difference either way, then their votes count the same as they would have counted anyway.
But if I'm a voter in District 2 and I already voted in District 3 and
well, you're going to have 36 extra votes in District 2.
Right.
And if that 36 votes makes no difference, then the votes that won that election all counted.
But what about the people who are upset, who feel that their vote didn't count at all because they don't have a say in who's elected in their area?
Well, welcome to the United States, because look what we've got. We don't have a whole lot of, we can go out there and vote, put things on the ballot that are not there. That's a problem. We've got kind of some control with political parties sort of controlling who is available to vote for. But as far as your vote has to make a difference. If your vote has the potential to make a difference to sway the election, it will have to be counted.
Now, can voters sue on the ground that their votes aren't counting for who they elect?
The time that a suit could come up is if a vote, some person was elected, and that person had 36 or 17 or however many votes more than the other person, and if you had switched it and gave the other person the 36 votes or the 17 votes, whatever it was, then that person would have won. Then that candidate can win, and the person who voted, or that candidate could sue to show they would win, and anybody who voted in that election where their vote was not counted could sue as well.
All right.
And actually, any voter could probably sue that was the wrong determinative of the election.
All right, Jay Davis, interesting opinion as always, legal expert. Thank you for coming on. And
thanks, Ashley.
If you have a legal issue or question you want answered, please let us know about it, and we will answer it right here on the air. You can send an email to itsthelaw@41nbc.com.